Good morning again, folks. We have quite a few people enjoyed the last renovation episode. We've sorted out a frame for the camera now, so we're not going to put the finger on the mic, which you didn't realise until post-edit.
Yeah, that was my bad.
So, quite a lot's happened actually. I didn't realise until we looked at the footage that we didn't sort of show any of this structure, but this goes all the way through, under. It's quite a decent length. I think we're like nearly 3 meters long. You see from the bike's perspective. And then there's storage again at the front, which again that's about what, 1.3, something like that.
Yeah.
So up there, more storage. And what we are doing today is finishing boarding all this roof and then painting up there. We've been and picked some paint up. Finish boarding all the floor, and then all the stuff we don't want down here can go up there, never to be seen, not worry about, and then we can assess the area we're left with. Been thinking of paint all week, haven't you?
I don't know if I've made the right decision.
Go on, say what you're doing on that roof.
So I thought, with it being storage, you don't want to draw the eye to it. It doesn't want to be a feature. It wants to be hidden. So I thought it doesn't matter if it's light up there. Everyone paints ceilings white. I'm going to paint it black.
All black?
All black. We'll have some lighting up there so we can see when we turn the light on. So we need to get something up there or down from there. But if we go black up there and then white underneath here, or light colour underneath here,
Light under there.
and there,
Because they're going to be like
that's your
work area.
So we want that well lit. We want that hidden.
I think it's a good idea.
That's my thinking.
Especially with having your aircon unit up there. It's like when you go in a shop, a lot of them they just paint the ceiling
Paint
black,
everything black, yeah.
and then they put drop down ceiling bits that
So
look
all your
nice.
surfaces and everything you don't see,
Yeah,
your pipe
all
is there,
hidden.
it's all black, you don't
It's not a
see.
bad idea.
So that's my thinking. We're still working on the colour scheme for the other bits, but we haven't got any layout for shelving, worktops, anything like that just yet.
No.
We're just going to focus on getting this sealed up and finished, painted, then we can clear all the crap up there, and then
See what we're left
go
with.
from there and use the space we've got after that.
We've had an hour on it. We've made it a bit further down. We just got the bits cut for this ridge piece. Gonna foam fill all that so it's all sealed up. Give it a little capping down there. And then that area, oh, it needs the floor bit finishing, doesn't it?
Yeah,
Finish that floor bit.
centerpiece into it and this end.
And then probably have a look at sealing it and painting it up. And that's where all the rubbish can go. And it's created our nice little workshop bit underneath. Yeah, it's getting there. Oh yeah, here we go. We managed to get, what did you say, we're 2/3 done on the roof?
Yeah, pretty much.
But we're getting this bit done now. Painting her out. Little mini loft conversion. Cozy?
I can live up here.
Yeah.
You could sleep here if you had to. Plenty of room for a little bed.
Oh yeah. Easy. Anyway, this is the colour. Is black a colour?
It's a shade.
Check that out. Yeah, liquid tar.
I want it to be like looking into a pit of despair when you look up here.
Yeah. So get these lights up after. Paint her out black. Probably put a light somewhere like half and half, do you
I think
reckon?
middle, like, yeah, about there somewhere.
And then when you want to get down, to flick a light on. And when you don't want to see any of this stuff, go your long shot. So there we go. Right up, tucked away. And it is pretty big.
Plenty of room for all these.
About 2.8 long, nearly 3 meters.
What are they? They're 2.4, aren't they?
Yeah,
Yeah,
and a
so
bit
it's
cool.
nearly 3 metres
Yeah.
by 3 metres wide.
Oh yeah. So that gets all your gear out the way.
Yeah.
Tidy. Get your roll on.
We've already spilled a bit.
No. Oh.
Flicked off the roller. Let's fix this stuff.
It might cover really well. But I mean, black of anything goes over. Oh yeah.
Oh my dear.
Oh, that's black.
That's beautiful.
Look at it. Alright, well, we'll join you in a minute when we see how far we can get with this paint. Right, first coat has gone on. Oh, I'll tell you what, we'll show you the illusion that we're trying to create. So there's the black paint now. Now, when all this is nice, we don't want to see what's up there. So, disappeared.
Gone.
Yeah.
I've seen it.
Look at that!
Yeah, exactly.
That's what you, so that is what you're trying to achieve, isn't it?
That's the whole point, yeah.
So anything now up there hopefully won't stand out as much because there's no light up there at all. That's what Stephen Hawking was trying to find.
That's dark matter.
Yeah.
It's just matter.
It's good. It works.
When
Yeah.
theory becomes practice and it works, you just feel great. I feel like a scientist.
We just scienced it. So we're going to see how it dries because the MDF's probably going to suck a lot of the moisture out. And then, yeah, so you can see it's a bit patchy now.
Yeah.
Sounds weird up here. It's like bouncing all acoustics back.
Acoustics in there.
Yeah. It's going to be good. Another few weekends on it and this is going to be an awesome little garage. Right, another day on the garage and Jamie's just finishing off the last few bits of black. We're just trying it out in places to see where it'll end up staying. But it's pretty good running the bead of black all the way around there and that edge. But yeah, got a big storage space up there. We're just planning out under here what we need to start making because now all this rubbish can go up there and then it's going to be work top area, workspace, all this painted out, ceiling's going to get plasterboarded and either spotlights or just run in some more of these LED fluoros. He's not quite sure just yet. And then we were on about maybe some fancy LED stripping around some places, just on like a little bibber that might look pretty cool.
Ones that are reliable and don't like blow bulbs after about a month.
Yeah, we
That would
need
be
that.
great.
And then what we got? Then we've got this end finish, which is another board there and board there, but we ran out of foam for sealing all the foil up. But that's what, probably half a day to finish all the timber work and then the boards up on this top piece and then paint it again, which the painting didn't take too long to be fair. It went quite well.
It's only one coat, it's still quite well on it, so.
Yeah, one coat. It's drying out, and then all this will be black, all up there black. That unit's coming out because that one's being replaced for the big one that's going to be hanging up on these bars up there, and that's it. Once we can get rid of most of this stuff, we can then see the space, all things like the fridge and that everything's going, and then you're going to be left with this nice, this is all going to be painted out white, so it's all just reflective. Yeah, try out the workspace, start laying some ideas down, and then on the home stretch, I reckon.
Now it's whether we go down the man cave route or the workshop route. Like, I want it to be a workshop, but I want it to look like a man cave.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can mix the two.
What with like maybe a bit of a couch or something in it.
Maybe
as
not
well.
a couch, but like in the way it's styled. Like I want it to sort of look quite nice. Like open it up
Yeah.
and it'd be like,
Have a few beers in here on a Saturday
yeah,
night.
like you could just chill out in here. It doesn't have to be.
It's
a
going to be
workshop.
warm enough too,
Yeah.
so you can just sort of sit in here.
So we're gonna get like some speakers and stuff in for some music. Probably put a ceiling mount or something. So you come in here, even when you're working, if you like just chilling out with beers, you've got a bit of music to listen to. Got loads of lighting, so it's really bright down there. And we'll have the heating. We'll have the storage. So
Got it all.
should be everything we need.
Yeah, so join us next time when I think we'll probably be finishing all the roof spaces and then planning down the bottom. So yeah, see you next time.
Ta-ra.